Mike Wolf here, coming to you today from Cozumel, Mexico, where it's a very hot day. And if you're tuning in, chances are you want to find out about passive income creation. Does it even exist, and how do you create it? And if that's what you're looking for, you came to the right place. I was just reading on a blog article the other day. Somebody said, I don't believe that passive income even exists. And so, first of all, let's define passive income. Passive income is doing something one time, getting paid for it over and over and over again. And so I want to give you some great examples of people that are making a lot of passive income, for those of you who don't believe that it even exists. So think of Elvis Presley and Michael Jackson. They are dead, and they are making more money passively while they're dead than the average person by far will ever make in their lifetime alive. And that's because they got to do something once. They created their songs, released them, marketed them, and now they're getting paid for it even while they're not even alive. So same thing with books. People have written books and they're dead, and they're still making, their estate is still making money off it. So yes, passive income is really a thing. And my vehicle for creating it is real estate. You buy the real estate one time. If you buy smart, it creates passive income streams for you every single month. And at the same time, it's appreciating. And at the same time, it's giving you tax benefits. So I really want to encourage people to start looking at creating passive income in their investing, in their businesses. In my business, I have teams that do most of the work for me, and they've got some systems in place so that it runs without me. Think of McDonald's. If you ever if you haven't seen the movie The Founder, check it out. It talks about the original people who started up McDonald's and how Michael Keaton's character comes in and makes it a lot bigger by licensing it and franchising it and making it much bigger. But it didn't mean he went and did the work. He wasn't flipping burgers at each location. So it allows you to expand. So anyway, these are things you want to consider when you're building your businesses, when you're making your money work harder for you. And to me, like I said, real estate is my personal favorite way to do it. If it's your favorite way to do it also, make sure you check out my webinar. Click below and get access to it. And it's going to talk about one of the ways I can help you create that passive income in real estate without you having to do all the work. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get all my latest videos as they become available, as I release them. And also share this with your friends if you think it'll help them, and make sure you like it. And I hope to hear from you soon. Good luck with your passive income creation, and let me know. But if you want to comment, I'll be happy to help you any way I can. Hope you're having a great day. Take care.